Alright, hello everybody. I haven't recorded a video in a couple days just because I've been sick and my voice doesn't sound too good to listen to. But a lot has happened in the market, and by that I mean just straight down. It's only been down for like this whole week. Go look at the weekly chart here, yeah, just boom, right down. Um, a lot of people have been not too profitable in this week. I've made some good profits during that time where I couldn't really record because my voice just didn't sound too well. I brought the account up to around $600, and then I wanted to buy a new Blackstone, so I actually withdrew about 500 and brought it down to 100 again. And then I did some trading this morning. I can show you guys the move I caught. That gave me some good returns. I think that one made me about 50, and then I just made some money on Bitcoin here right before I started the recording. So the move I caught this morning, which I actually did this just laying in bed on my phone because I was so sick I just didn't want to get up. So I have the 200 moving average put on right now. Um, that's something we're going to start running into our trades to just for some extra confluence. I want to close her above or below the line. For if we close below, we're going short. Above, we're going long. So the move I caught was this right here. I bought right here. I put a long. Right, no, right here on that, which I actually very proud of this one because I was gonna do it down here, even though that would have made me more money, but I didn't know if it was gonna close. If it would have closed down, it would have kept going down. But I waited for it to return. It didn't close below, so I put my long in. We ended up riding. I closed it once I seen some downward pressure, which was on that. And then throughout the rest of the day, it just kind of slowly worked its way across and down now. It's. I thought today we were going to go a lot higher than this, but I was sick. I didn't want to watch the charts much. Um, yeah, it just kind of went sideways and down. It's been a very down week this week. And then Bitcoin, that one was how I really grew the account to that 600 while I was sick and not really recording. And I did all this laying in bed. That's the part I love about trading is you can make money literally just laying in bed. I never was really up in my office throughout that time. But the moves I caught on that, we'd actually have to go to the daily because it's been throughout the week. I mean, you can just tell I've been shorting Bitcoin every day. I mean, I've caught like full candles like this. I wasn't full porting. I bet if I was full porting on these, I would have made like 2 grand. But that's not what we do. That's not part of our strategy, which I almost did lose the whole account because I full ported on one trade and then it went the wrong direction. Luckily, it went back to around break even. I exited it, and that was that was a very lucky break on that one. But as you can see here today, we were down. I caught this move last night. I made a trade in it. You can see here I shorted it. Um, I shorted it on this break right here, and we went down far. It was a very good money making trade last night. I'm very proud of that one. Let's delete some of these things. But today I want to try and grow the account a little more. See if we can. I made about 30 bucks this morning. Lost like 10 of it. So yeah. This morning that Nasdaq trade was pretty good. But I was just uh in a Bitcoin long here and I sold it here. I made like 3 bucks. Nothing big, but that's a 3 bucks. Excuse me, 3 bucks on a $162 account is a good return. Remember, you can't get too greedy. We're not. Well, me, I'm trying to grow this as fast as I can, but if you guys are getting 1 to 3% gains, take them. And if you guys are wondering about your lot sizes or how much you should be buying or selling, you can just look it up on Google. And I set a screensaver on my iPad so I can actually remember. So, like, I'll read some of you. If your guys' account is at $100, oh, wait, we're going to have a shorting opportunity right here if this closes below that line. Give me that closure. not looking like it wants to close below, but really want it to. No, we didn't get it. Okay. So then now we take this. Boom. Ugh. And sorry if I sound really stuffed up and nasally. That's pretty much the main problem of the sickness actually. So sorry about that. If you have $100, you're going to want to trade 0.01 to 0.02, which is what I'm doing. And soon, when we hit 200 here, we're going to be able to bump it up from 0.02 to 0.04. You can go anywhere within that range. $400 to $500, you can trade with 0.04 to 0.06. 6 to 700, 0.06 to 0.08, and so forth. It kind of just keeps growing, but then you kind of cap out when you hit $9,000 to $10,000 at 0.9 to 1. So it really starts to scale once you get into the thousands, and that's when you'll start seeing that you're making enough money in a day to where you're making more than your job where you're getting paid $15 an hour at 8 hours a day. Which also you run into the problem of if you ever get caught full porting, you're losing $1,000 in a day, which I've lost thousands of dollars in a day. I've done it plenty of times. But yeah, we're just gonna do some trades today. I just wanted to make a video for you guys just to show you that I'm still here. Just been a little sick. Let's look at some things that we could trade. Let's look up this one here. God, all my charts are like flatlined. Yeah, Japan's down. UK 100. Well, I want to go check out US oil too. I haven't looked at that one in a couple days actually. So we're on the 1 hour chart here. We tapped into this fair value gap. Seemed to respect it pretty well. So far at least. Boom. Tapped in. Respected. So if we get a break on that right there, we would enter our long. Where are we at on the daily with that? So we were above it at one point. Which one thing I've noticed throughout time is usually if you're above it and then you come down back below where you wanted to break, you're not getting the break most times, which this is one I've really been watching for, that break of structure on the high up here. I really want it so we can go long, but if it ain't there, don't force it. Let's go back to this 5-minute here. Yeah, it's just going to be a little bit, which we are trading at 1 p.m. Central time here, so it's not going to be the best time of the day to trade. That's where you usually just go that little smaller volume, lower time frame trades. But I just wanted to get some trades in for you guys on camera here, so you know I'm still doing it. I really wish I could have showed you guys the growth to 600, but unfortunate events. You guys will be able to see it again. It's not like I won't do it again here. So we're US 30, not USA 30, US 30. What am I doing? I'm expecting this one. I haven't checked this one in a while. Expecting it to be down. It's kind of like the rest of the. What is happening? Where is my chart? Why is it acting weird today? There we go. Okay. Yeah, you can see we're down on this one. Let's check the daily. Yeah, a lot has happened. I just want to. Yeah, not as bad as some other charts I've seen at least. Reaching that shortable area if we break down there. Okay. Let's look at US oil. I'm just looking for any tradable opportunities on any of these right now. And then I'll bring you guys back when a trade setup is there. We can't force it, but if one is there, like why are these so flatlined? Jeez. Okay. Well, that ain't much of a. Okay. got some closure below this line. This just passed its shortable moment, and I just missed it. But if we get a retracement up, I will definitely short it now. I will short a retracement up on this one. So I can only do 0.2 because I only have, well, I guess, yeah, only have 162. I can only do 0.2. That's how you maintain your risk management here. So I'll probably, ooh, yeah, we're not getting that retracement up, are we? It is not giving it to us, which is one thing I've noticed about this downtrend we've had this week is it ain't really doing much of these strong retracements like you see most times when it goes down. This is like the strongest one we're getting. I mean, it's been just a very strong down week all week. Very tough trading times for some people. I know TJR said that even this month he's in the negatives. He hasn't made any money. So we got to close below that one. Oh, well. If we hit into this, above this line right here, I'll short if we respect it. Now we just got to respect that zone. That looks like a little bit of respect to me there. But I would just like to make sure. Give it a little second. Rushing your trades is never a great way to make money. I'd rather miss out on a little bit of profits to guarantee a higher chance at making actual profits. Which is one the problem I used to have in the past is that I wouldn't give it a lot of time. Okay, so we definitely respected the gap, but maybe it wants to return to that one. If we get a, what I like is when it respects the gap and then I get another guaranteed break below that low again. I know I'm missing out on the profits of if I shorted it right now, but I don't know. You never know what's going to happen because we are on an uptrend like this. This could be a 5-minute retracement. You just got to always be safe, which we'll actually look at the 5-minute here, see where that's at. Yeah. I think we are going to tap it. See, on the 5-minute, we're above this line here, but on the 1-minute, we're below it. So this isn't a trade I'm like insanely confident in compared to my other trades I like to take, but I won't deny this trade if it gives me it. If we respect this fair value gap, I'm taking that trade. Sorry if I'm sniffling and coughing in the mic. I'm still sick. Trying my best for you guys to keep things going on the YouTube channel so I can have my trading journal because I miss journaling a lot. Come on, push up into there. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. So we'll see where that zone is on the 5-minute. It's crazy that 1-minute fair value gap is that little space within this big candle too. We're getting close to it. It's just not tapping in there. Yeah, and if anyone wants to tell me how your trades have gone this month, I'm actually not sure if I was profitable on this month because before I started the YouTube channel, I had a very bad month. I'm probably around break even. If you guys want to leave how you've done this month trading, if you have been profitable or negative, which is no shame in being negative, you're going to have losing times. Alright, this might be our trade coming up. You're going to have your negative times. No shame in it. It's part of trading and you learn from it. Come on, let's see it. Show me the money. Let's go. gonna take its sweet time to show me what it wants to do. I know it. Okay. Okay, while this figures out what it wants to do, I have plenty of time to go look back at Bitcoin here quick. Alright, yeah, just more of this messy consolidation, which I hope US oil doesn't enter right now, just because I don't want to wait through any consolidation right now. God, why are these all just flatlining right away? Oh, so we seem to be respecting this spot right here a lot. Wow, look at how perfect that is right on there. A quadruple top. Okay, come on, push above, push above. Don't give me a. I don't know what a 5 top would be. I know a 4. Okay, break into there. Come on. But man, it is sitting right on that zone. There we go. So now we'll see if it respects this fair value gap. If it doesn't respect it, then I guess we don't place a trade. Doesn't look like it's going to respect it. We wicked above, which wicks can do their damage. Yeah, it is high wick above there. To create that. So this could be our tradable opportunity now. The only thing that sucks about this charting platform I'm on is I don't get the 15 seconds, and I'm not paying for it on TradingView. I'm simply not. Which, the only reason I still pay for TradingView right now is because I like the bar replay mode on there. And I'm probably going to cancel that soon because lately I've been doing more real-time trades like this. I haven't needed as much practice with bar replay. I like this more actually watching the market move practice. So now I just want that closure below. This low even would be a valid enough closure below for me. Oh man. Which I have a feeling we might be entering some consolidation here, because I have a good feeling it's going to come down to this low, bounce up, reach around these highs, just back and forth until we get a break, most likely towards the downside, because that's what everything has been doing throughout the week. This news with Trump has been really tearing the markets up. But yeah, I'll bring you guys back when we have a tradable moment. Alright, we are ready to place a trade here in 1 second. If it respects the break of structure here. Because we broke the structure on this, but not this. We kind of broke even with that, but we're pushing up still, so I just want to make sure it respects this break here. Because if it doesn't respect this break, then we got really nothing here for us. Looks like we're respecting it so far. Yeah, we got a couple wicks down below this low here, and it just didn't want to get a downward close, and then it pushed up. which kind of surprised me. I was expecting it to go short, but we are going to place this buy order. Okay, stop loss just in case. Boom. $1 loss, nothing big. Yeah, we're taking small trades here today. $2.42 profit. I just wanted you guys to see some trades today. I didn't really. It's the last day of the month. It's Friday. One thing I wanted to show you guys. Oh, do not place buy order. One thing I want to show you guys is on the 1 month of Bitcoin. If we come look at this, we are going to break structure here. So get ready to see your Bitcoin. If you're holding any right now, I would get ready to sell, because boom, that's where we're going. We're going straight down, which I am going to be showing you guys a lot more Bitcoin shorts here, I'm guessing, in the future, which is fine by me. I don't care what any currency is priced at. I don't care at all. The only thing I want to keep going up is the S&P 500, because that's the one I invest in long term. So if I just like movement, I want movement in the market, because that's where I can make money if things are moving. When they're moving sideways, I make the majority of my money from these movements, not from sideways. So when something big like a 1 month closure on Bitcoin happens, that's when I can make money. And everyone always thinks that they miss out when they don't buy Bitcoin on its way up. You can still short it on its way down. It always goes both ways, which I think it was going to go back into like this range, maybe even down to this range again at one point. I would not doubt it at all. But yeah, we're going to keep letting this trade ride out. I don't plan on holding it for long at all. I probably close it early. I'm just doing these trades for fun, just to give you guys a video, since I haven't traded on camera for you guys in, I don't even know how many days it's been, probably like 4 or 5. It feels like 4 or 5, honestly. Might be less, but we are 0.06 cents in the negative. Oh no, we're blowing the whole account. No. And it's just we're trading at a bad time of the day. I'll probably do more trading later. I like trading around 8 o'clock, but markets won't even be open at that point today for NASDAQ. But Bitcoin, I'll be able to trade some Bitcoin at 8 o'clock for you. I actually make some very good profits from 8 to 9, because it's like medium volume. It's pretty clean price action. I mean, it's very jagged, but usually when it has a direction, I'll see if I can kind of draw it out for you. So it's very, very jagged. It's just like all over the place like this. You might get like one extra down, but it always has like a direction. It's gonna have an up every time. That is an awful way to describe it, but yeah, it goes up. Just very, very, very jagged. It's not gonna be boom, 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 where it's more clean, big movements that you can really make some good money off of, but it takes more time, and you're getting the same results. So right there, we were just 20 cents in the profit. Yeah, this trade's going to be very boring to watch. 40 cents, oh, 54. Big money. Yeah, nah. US oil, I'm definitely going to do a little bit more than 0.01 to 0.02. Okay. So you guys see the account balance here. I'm going to stop this portion of the video here. I'll come back later tonight and show you guys more trades, and I'll let you know if the take profit gets hit on this. Alright, so it's been a couple days since I recorded that last segment of the video, and not much happened. I didn't place too many trades, but today it is Sunday, and I wasn't expecting much to happen again today, but then Trump announced that he's going to be adding Bitcoin, Solana, XRP, Ethereum, all to like the US reserves. and that caused the crypto prices to shoot up within like an hour. I think XRP went up 18% within, I think it was like 45 minutes. So I took a trade on that this morning, which I think I put $40 in because I blew the account a little bit. It wasn't completely blown, but I knew I was going to make it back no problem. And with this trade, I did it. I put $40 in, and it grew to 213. So I think I bought in right here, and then it went up to there. So yeah, there wasn't much that happened since then. I just kind of wanted to show you guys that the move on crypto that happened today. I'll probably record day trading tomorrow and then add that to the same video. Or if not, I'll just post this one and I guess you guys will find out.